My video guide will help you to get rid of pop-up windows that come from the site Abja.xyz. Abja.xyz. The pop-up indicates that you need to add some extension. In reality, there is no need for you to add any extension, even if it's decent, but the problem is that all these extensions promoted by Abja.xyz are extremely malicious. Their mission is to actually infect your browser with some browser hijacker, and because of that, when you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by some fake third-party search engine. It's not the search engine of your choice, and I recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to fix your browser. Go to the menu, click on More Tools and choose Extensions. Now you need to disable and delete all suspicious extensions, but be careful not to remove all the extensions because some of them may be decent. And finally, I also recommend double checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. After the software is downloaded and installed, you need to click on the Start Combo Scan and the free scanning of your Mac computer will begin. It's indeed the free scanning. The Combo Cleaner trial version doesn't remove the malware for free, however, it also has got some free features. For instance, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed report about the condition of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.